The Centre of Excellence for Decarbonising Roads has been working in collaboration with Sandwell Council to trial, test and compare different pothole repair materials and techniques, helping the highways sector move towards more sustainable, longer-lasting solutions. These live network trials are taking place on a residential link road in Sandwell, specifically chosen to create controlled, comparable conditions. Each test is carefully designed to be consistent, repeatable and measurable, whilst representing a typical urban road. Before work begins, the trial site is inspected and marked out. 7 different pothole repair products were tested here, each in an identical controlled setting. With a level playing field, each patch is the same size and depth, in the same wheel track and installed by highway operatives to compare performance over time. To ensure consistency, patches are cut using a multi-hog to a depth of 40 mm and a width of 400 mm square to reflect a typical real-world pothole repair. Once excavated, the arisings are removed to prepare a clean base for each repair material. The asphalt planings are weighed and then will be taken to a depot, recycled and reused elsewhere. We're trialling everything from traditional hot lay materials to newer cold applied and bio-based options. Each product is installed according to manufacturer instructions, ensuring a fair comparison. Product A is Decarfill, an MMA pothole repair mixed by the side of the road for quick and fresh application. Product B is Tarmac's Ultipatch Binder, a carbon zero bagged or tubbed material with a blend of bio-binder and bio-based fluxing agent. Product C is Easy Street Asphalt, a polymer-modified bagged cold patch asphalt usable in water. Product D is Viafix, a commonly used cold patch bagged asphalt, water-activated and suitable for all weathers. Product E is Hot Rolled Asphalt, a long-lasting hot mix asphalt, versatile and suitable for most carriageway repairs, currently used in Sandwell as their baseline product. Product F is Thermal Road Repairs, a technology that restores defects by reheating and bonding the existing asphalt, requiring minimal material to achieve a joint-free repair. Product G is Elastomac, a rubber-modified surface screed repair with flowable hot mastic being applied to the road with hot shoes. Once completed, each patch is documented and labelled with close-up photos taken of each repair. This allows us to monitor how each material performs under real-world conditions. The road is then reopened to live traffic. From here, long-term monitoring begins. We'll regularly inspect the condition of each patch to assess the longevity of repair. These trials form part of the ADEPT Live Labs 2 programme, supporting local authorities across the UK to make informed, low-carbon choices for road maintenance. For more information and to access data, visit our knowledge bank at www.decarbonisingroads.co.uk.